Part 2, everyone, on the Lego and Lawn Build. There. Yes, I named it Lego and Lawn Build. Now, here's another tip that I might have forgot to mention. Sort out the colors, the shapes, the sizes, so that you can get a bit, so that you can build easily. Now, my last video that I did was a bit too long, and it didn't upload fast enough, so I had to wait for a very long time for it to upload. Now, I also forgot. Oh wait, God! I'm going so fast that I forgot to put Daphne together. Daphne, the beautiful lady, oh, hold up, drop her head. Wait, now this is gonna be a long video. Where did his head go? Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. Got her head. Got her head. Oh, she's screaming because I dropped her head. Daphne, the beautiful. Trying to figure out, is that red head or orange head? She have orange hair, so she's beautiful, amazing. Time to put the camera together. Never had a camera Lego piece before, but yay, this is my first time. Now back to the build. So yeah, I also was, no, I wasn't thinking of doing a stop motion, that's right. So yeah, I'm also going to be doing some stop motion stuff, since now I have the full build. What about me? Huh, who's that? Get to the chopper. What about me? Arnold, are you going to put me in this video? No, Arnold, I'm not. Remember, the last video was a bit too long. Who cares? The ladies like it. Like my... You forgot what you're going to say. Shush up. Alright. Forget it. Arnold? Ladies and gentlemen, we have technical difficulties to get Arnold back on. He just left the house. But it's not really Arnold, it's me doing his voice. Yes, I can do his voice! And paper is still sticking to my arm. Okay. Yes, perfectality type of thing. If you want the brick side, you got to go like this type of thing, so that you can get brick look. Because just like that, it just looked like a long brick. That sounded so wrong-ish. That rhyme. I'm rhyming to the timing. I'm back. I'm here. Arnold is ready. Arnold, you're not going to be in this one right now. Maybe in the next one, but not right now in this one. Are you really trying to make this as a short video? Yes, because the last video was really long and took a long time for it to upload. I created a monster. He still wants to talk. You got that right. Okay, talk. Thank you. Well, that was Arnold, everyone. Hey! Give a good hand to him. A clap of a hand to him, type of thing. You get my idea. Oops. Plop. Man, I'm doing that. This is my first time doing a build thing, and I'm forgetting to do stuff like showing what I'm doing on camera. First time, come on, don't sue me because I'm not doing it right. This is my first time doing this. Ah, man. It's hot today. and still hot today. So yeah, this is kind of like day 2. That's right, I forgot to mention, this is kind of like day 2 of my video. Hopefully, I might have, one of these days, I might have to do one of these again. One day again, like every day, like once a day, do a video. Oh, I hope not. I want to get this all finished. Now, I could do this in all-in-one video, but the loading and that, ugh. Why? Why does it have to take so long for it to load? Oh, whoops. I was going too fast again and got to look at the directions correctly. If you go too fast and you didn't look at the directions correctly, yeah, you probably screw yourself up. And did I just? I just did. Once again, people, wrong one. It was supposed to be this quick. I screwed up. Dag nabbit. Doggone ducky. Yep, I'm creating my own. Yep. And there. And my own words to not piss off your parents. Oh, again. I got it wrong again. I have to keep looking back at my directions to see like what I did wrong. Nice try, directions. Well, nice try, me. If only I could pick up these pieces. If only in my dreams I could fly, I could glide, I could swim under the sea. My singing is horrible, yes. So don't sue me if I'm singing bad to you. And you guys are wondering, wait, but why are you saying that? We would never sue someone like you. What? Jeez. Mom, don't use my real name. Ignore that. I'm Reaper X.
You're also late.
I am not. Okay, come on. But you just... the paper keeps on sticking on me. And my looking is off. I should have noticed. Let's see. Oh! Almost had me there, eh? Let's see. I have to put. Did that mine? Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. There we go. Now, it's always good to take a break once in a while. It's always good to take a break once in a while. Yes. Get the head right. Now, there's a part with the stickers. The number and 15. A15. Bingo! Sorry. I was thinking of bingo for a moment there. Now, there's a few tricks to this. You can use tweezers to put the stickers on correctly. If you see, I'm not good with stickers. I thought they were advanced by now and not do the stickers thing. But yeah. Also, my name isn't that name. It's still Weeper X, and it always will be Weeper X. Whatever that woman said, ignore it. Mom. And if you also hear noise in the background, yeah, a lot of things is going on. Always good to look at the directions. If you're someone that who doesn't, then you're... yeah. That's gonna mess up badly. Oh, I also updated to put my extra pieces in here. Yep, I updated a bit. I might update again. So yeah, why I always put the pieces to always having a hard time talking. Why I always sort out the pieces always because like I said before, my last video was so long it downloaded for a very, very long time. It took a long time for it. Come on, get in there. There. It took a while for it to download and I cannot pick up the piece. Holy cow, my neck. Yeah, you could get some neck pains from doing this. That way it's always good to take a break. If I'm doing this right, yep, and come on. And damn it. Wait. Oh, that's the next. Am I doing this right? No, I'm not. I am not doing this right. There we go. Now I'm doing this right. Yeah, there we go. I need to see if I forgot anything. It's always good to check back to see if you forgot anything or they actually give you some extra pieces, and they gave me some extra pieces. Okay, there you go. Holy cow. Extra pieces again. Put them in your extra pile. Like always. There you go. But that was part 2. Now you got Daphne on your side. Haha. Daphne, yay! I wonder how Fred would feel having Daphne around. Huh? Fred, you're supposed to not be on here yet. Oh, sorry. See you in part 3. When we go and have a very short, I think very short video. Yeah, I think. It's a thing.